So today we are going to do one case study on Perpios company. So let's do deep dive into the Perpios in-depth company documentation and case study. So these are the things we are going to study right now. So first let's see executive summary. Perpios is one of the India's most important fintech infrastructure company. Founded in 2008 in Bangalore, the company evolved from personal finance platform into global B2B fintech, SaaS, and financial intelligence company. Today, Perpios powers loan underwriting, financial data extraction, risk intelligence, fraud detection, digital onboarding, banking automation, financial decision system. The company serves banks, NBFCs, insurance companies, fintech startups, large enterprises. Perpios has become major financial infrastructure layer across multiple countries. Key highlight, so matrix and value we are going to discuss. Funded in 2008, 8 quarters in Bangalore, India. Industry, fintech, SaaS and AI. Customer are 1000 plus financial institute. Countries present 18 to 20 plus. Valuation is 1 billion plus and funding raise is 435 million plus. Core domain financial infrastructure. So company overview. Perpios provide AI-powered software system for financial institute. The company specialize in financial data aggregation, banking automation, AI-driven analytics, credit risk analysis, fraud prevention, financial document processing. Pervios operate primarily as a B2B enterprise SaaS product. Unlike consumer fintech apps, Pervios fiction functional as a backend infrastructure powering a thousand of financial workflow. Million of consumers indirectly interact with Perpios system while applying for loans, opening bank account, completing KYCs or using lending apps. Founding story. Perpios was founded by V.R. Govindarajan, Debashish Chakravarti. So the founder had deep background in enterprise software, databases, analytics, and large-scale technology system. Initially, Perpios funded on personal financial management. The founder realized India lacked a structured financial intelligence system, automated underwriting infrastructure, and scalable financial analytics engine. They provided toward enterprise fintech infrastructure. This strategy shifts transport Perfius into high value infrastructure company. Problem statement. Before companies like Perfius, bank manually verify documents, loan approval took day or weeks, fraud detection was inefficient, financial documents were unstructured, credit underwriting lacked automation, compliance process were slow. Traditional banking operational suffered from high operational costs, human dependency, inconsistent decision making, and slow scalability. Perpio solved these issues using AI, OCR, APIs, analytics, and automation. Industry background. India experienced rapid digital financial growth after smartphones expansion, Aadhaar adoption, UPI rollout, fintech startup growth, and digital lending expansion. This created demand for digital onboarding, real-time verification, automated risk engine, financial data APIs, and scalable lending system. Profiles Pro- Perfiles entered at right time and become major infrastructure provider. Business model. Perfiles follows a B2B SaaS product model. Core revenue stream includes subscription revenue, enterprise client pay recurring platform fees, API usage revenue, customer pay per API, call or transaction value, enterprise licensing, large financial institute purchase, custom deployment, platform integration revenue. Perfios integrate with banking system and enterprise infrastructure. Analytics and risk services. Advanced analytics engine generate premium revenue. So product ecosystem. Perpios offer multiple financial technology products. So first is financial data extraction. So processes PDF, bank statement, GST records, tax documents, salary slip, financial reports. The system converts unstructured data into structured format. Second is credit underwriting platform. Helps financial institute approve loans, analyze repayment capability, evaluate financial behavior, and reduce lending risk. Fraud detection, and third one is fraud detection system. It detects fake documents, suspicious transaction, synthetic identifies, and abnormal financial behavior. So D, digital onboarding supports eKYC, document verification, identify validation, onboarding, automation. So fourth one was digital onboarding. So this fifth one is analytics and decision intelligence. Provides financial scoring, predictive analysis, customer intelligence, and risk prediction. So this seventh one was this. Okay, seventh one was this. Technology, architecture. Purpose Perfios likes user distribution, microservices architecture, high level architecture, front end is system, API gateway, authentication level, microservices layer, AI OCR engine, financial analytics system, database and data lake, and enterprise banking system. Core technology domain, cloud computing, distribution system, machine learning, APIs, financial analytics, security system. So, and data intelligence. AI is central to purpose operation. Possible AI application include document classification, OCR intelligent, fraud detection models, credit card scoring, financial pattern recognition, predictive analytics. So banking infrastructure role. Perpios function as a financial infrastructure. This is means banks build a workflow around Perpios APIs, loan system depend on Perpios engine, onboarding pipeline, use Perpios verification system. Infrastructure companies often become highly valuable because they power other businesses comparable infrastructure companies globally. So company infrastructure domain, Stripe payment, AWS cloud computing, TVLO communication API, Plantier analytics infrastructure, Perpios financial decision infrastructure. So market positioning. So Perpios is considered among India's top fintech infrastructure firm. Major strength, enterprise trust, banking integration, AI capabilities, and financial analytics expertise. The company compete in digital lending infrastructure, risk intelligence, banking automation, and fraud detection. So customer and industrial served. So the major customer banking sector example ICICI Bank, HDFC Bank, Axis Bank, and S Bank and S Bank Standard Chartered, NBFCs example Tata Capital, Eurofin IFC, Nano Finance, fintech companies example Scred, IND Money, Capital Float. Insurance companies example Predentis, Manulife, industrial served, banking, lending, insurance, wealth management, digital finance. So revenue model purpose generate recurring enterprise revenue. Enterprise SAC advantage, predictable cash flow, long-term contacts, scalability, as switching costs. Possible revenue driver, API transaction, enterprise contract, onboarding services, analytics platform, AI-driven intelligent tools. So funding history, Perpeus raised major funding from global investor. 2017 instituted funding event. 2017 they raised first time institutional investment growth. So company name and 2019 Warburg Fincus investment. So 2012 they raised from 2012 major expansion funding. 2023 they raised major. This is I think 2009 229 million Series D. 2014 they made 80 million additional investment. So major investment Warburg Fincus, Kedara Capital, Besmer Venture Partner, Ontario Teacher Pension Plan. So valuation journey. So Per PO's cross unicorn valuation status approximately journey. So we'll discuss here an approximate valuation. 2008 startup stage, 2017 rapid growth stage, 2020 large fintech player, 2023 near unicorn, 2014 1 billion valuation. So it took approximately 16 year to reach billion-dollar valuation scale. So leadership team, key leadership include VR Govindarajan, Debashio Chakraborty, okay, Nitin Chak, Sabyashi Goswami, Veena Rao, Sumit Nigam. So leadership expertise span enterprise software, banking, analytics, fintech, AI operation. So global expansion. Perpius expanded into Southeast Asia, Middle East, Africa, and other international market. Reason for expansion: digital lending, growth, banking modernization, financial inclusion demand, AI-driven automation opportunity. Countries include India, UAE, Singapore, Indonesia, Philippines, Saudi Arabia, South Africa, Kenya. Competitive landscape. Perpios compete with fintech infrastructure companies, credit analytic firms, banking automation platform, and financial intelligence provider. Potential competitive area underwriting platform, fraud detection system, OCR provider, financial analytic engine. So SWOT analysis. Strength is strong enterprise trust, AI powered system, deep banking integration, high scalability, strong investor banking. Weakness is long enterprise scale cycle, dependence on financial sector, regulatory complexity. Opportunity: global fintech growth, AI expansion, embedded financial, digital lending growth. Threat: regular regulatory changes. Threats are like regulatory changes, cybersecurity risk, competition from global fintech firm. So, technical deep dive. Scorpio likes operate largely scale distributed system. Key engineering requirement: high availability, low latency, fault tolerance, data security, and real-time processing. Engineering domain involved: backend system, distributed databases, APIs, machine learning, cloud infrastructure, event-driven architecture. So last, data processing architecture. Financial data pipeline likes include document ingestion, OCR processing, data normalization, validation engine, risk scoring, fraud analysis, decision engine, database storage, API response system. Possible technology: Kafka, PostgreSQL, MongoDB, Redis, Kubernetes, cloud infrastructure, AI pipeline. So OCR and financial extraction system. Financial extraction is one of the Furpio's core strengths. Challenges include inconsistent document structure, poor scan quality, varying financial format, multilingual document extraction pipeline, document upload, OCR engine, field detection, data mapping, normalization, validation, and structure output. So fraud detection system. Fraud detection system may analyze transactional behavior, account activity, document authenticity, identify mismatches, financial anomaly. Potential technique: anomaly detection, graph analytics, machine learning, behavior intelligence. Credit underwriting engine. Credit underwriting evaluate repayment capability, financial stability, income consistency, debt obligation, and risk pattern. Input may include bank statement, tax record, GST data, transaction history, salary information. Output include risk scoring, loan eligibility, recommendation limit, fraud indicates, and 25 is compliance and security. Financial system requires strong compliance, likely security priorities, encryption, audit logging, access control, data privacy, fraud monitoring, regulatory compliances. Potential compliance standard: ISO certification, financial regulation, data protection law. So, enterprise sales strategy. Enterprise fintech sales are relation driven. Sales cycle may take months or even a year. Enterprise requirement include security review, pilot program, integration testing, compliance validation. Once integrated, switching become difficult. This creates strong recurring revenue. So growth strategy. Propius growth strategy include geographical expansion, enterprise new fintech market, product expansion, acquisition, banking partnership, AI investment. Acquisition and strategic expansion. Propius expanded through acquisition example, clarify, clarify, expansion, strengthen, fraud intelligent capability, strategic acquisition benefit. Just search about this company. Clarify customer. Okay. It's founded in okay. Good. 124 124 crore. Okay, fine. So standard acquisition benefit faster market expansion, new technology access, stronger product ecosystem, expanded enterprise stage. Organization structure. A company like Perpeus likely include engineering team, backend developer, AI engineer, cloud engineers, DevOps team, product team, product manager, UX specialist, business analytics, banking domain expert, financial analytic, compliance specialist, risk expert, sales and enterprise team, accountant, manager, enterprise, consultant, implementation team. So engineering culture. Infrastructure companies require strong engineering discipline. Possible focus on areas scalability, resilience, code quality, automation, monitoring, and observability. Important engineering concept distributed system, event driven architecture, asynchronous processes, AI pipeline, secure APIs. So, future opportunity, potential future growth areas AI pod, underwriting, global lending, infrastructure, embedded finance, RegTech, fraud intelligent, financial graph analytics, real time banking intelligent. AI could significantly expand decision automation, predictive analytics, financial intelligence. Risk and challenges. Major challenges include regulatory risk, financial law changes frequently, cybersecurity risk, financial infrastructure is highly sensitive, competition, AI accuracy risk, infrastructure complexity. Lesson for entrepreneur. Purpose provides several startup lessons. Solve a deep problem. Large industry pay for mission critical solution. So infrastructure business scales strongly. Infrastructure companies often create long-term dominions. Enterprise trust matter. Security and reliability creates competitive advantage. AI plus data equal to massive opportunity. Data intelligence create defensible mode. Patience is important. Large B2B companies often take 10-20 years to scale. Strategic insight. Purpose demonstrate how AI, fintech, APIs, data intelligence, and automation can combine to create billion-dollar infrastructure company. The company succeeded because it entered early, solved real financial problem, built enterprise trust, and scaled with fintech growth. So here is a conclusion. Perpeus represent one of the India's strongest example of fintech infrastructure, enterprise scaling, AI-powered automation, and financial intelligence platform. The company is transferred from small financial platform into global fintech infrastructure organization, serving thousands of financial institutes. Its success highlights the power of long-term infrastructure, building a enterprise software long-term infrastructure building, enterprise software, AI-driven analytics, and financial automation. Purpose is not simply a fintech application. It is financial operating infrastructure layer powering a digital finance ecosystem across multiple countries. Thank you.